Light family, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Nuru in the future. So today's video, should have posted it a while ago. I had some issues with my previous media files, so I finally was able to restore my data. So here is the long-awaited laundry room rehab. And if you can hear in the first couple seconds of the video, the ruckus that these two, the older washing machine was making. So it's been a long time coming where I've wanted to get rid of them, but you know, when you have a house, you have to prioritize one thing to the next. So being that they weren't broken, I wasn't trying to fix them. But here I am dismantling the laundry room for the mini makeover that I'm going to do. And it took me about 3 days all told to get it done, because I had to have someone come in and stack the new unit, as well as put a different socket for the dryer. It's an electric dryer, so it required a different socket. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already done so, please consider liking the video, subscribing if you wish, and yeah, trying to see if I can make a push to help the channel grow. So give thanks for you guys. Thank you for tuning in, and love and light always to you all. 5 years, gonna give the washroom, laundry room a little refresh. So stick around and see what happens. I'm gonna try using the steamer and see if I can get some more of these air bubbles out. Other than that, I'm going to use some paint
finished product. Nothing like being able to do it yourself. Don't forget to stay sweet and always walk in light. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, Sweet Light family. Peace.